It's Life Wyf CaityB in the building. In the building. So as y'all can tell, I'm home alone. I'm just singing my lungs out. And you know, why not do a cover? So I'm gonna be doing A Change Is Gonna Come by Sam Cooke. I love the song. I love this song. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. And if it's loud or quiet, yeah, I'm just trying to control the volumes over here, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean. I'm looking at the lyrics, by the way. I was born by the river in a little tent. Just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh yes it will. It's been too hard living, We'll just listen to the ads, I guess. I'm gonna be singing Dreams and I Love the Song by Fleetwood Mac. Let's get to it. Busta Rhymes. Why is he doing it? Oh, okay. Want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it, but listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. Sorry about my chair, it's like creaky and stuff. I'm not heavy, oh, right? Oh my, I'm feeling high. My money's gone and I'm all alone. To as you will see, the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your worth, then it would be well learned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. On and on and on and on, like a rolling stone. On and on and on, all night to the break of dawn. On and on and on and on, like a rolling stone. what you wish you could sell. If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pools filled by models. Told a tight dress is what makes you a whore. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's heard before. I don't wanna be you. Failed it anymore. By the way, I've been loving the Eagles like a lot for the past few months. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I would die for you, climb the highest mountain, baby. There's nothing I wouldn't do. So yeah, I think I want to sing another song. I think I want to sing another song here on. Yeah, I'm gonna sing another song. Computer love. I love that song. But I'm not gonna sing that because it's not a proper one. What do I feel like singing to? I think I feel like singing to. Let's sing Rain by SWV. It's with whatever it is. I don't know what it is. Bells me, I don't really know the song. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain. Okay, next song. That was an absolute fail actually. Yeah, let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Oh, my back is killing me, bro. Oh no, 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 no. This is what I get up to when I'm home alone. I don't really get anything done. No. Okay, that was pretty crap. When you feel it in your body from somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. Said you act like you're ready, but you don't really know anything fast. You just wanna let it go up and then done it, humped around. After all this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. And if you're touched by the words in the song, then maybe you got it bad. When you're on the phone, ain't nothing when you call right back. You got it bad. If you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. Ooh. On a perfect day, you know that I can count on you. Ooh. When that's not possible, tell me, can you weather a storm? Ooh, 'cause I need somebody will always, always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves you. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, this we know for sure, this we know for sure. Can you stand the rain? Just keep breathing, 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 breathing. You know I gotta keep on breathing. Just keep breathing, 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 breathing. Break up with your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning, yeah, yeah, like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care, girl. Break up with your girlfriend, yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. How you hurt me, baby, you don't care. Oh wow, I thought I could really reach it. I really can't. Sometimes these walls seem to cave in on me when I look in your eyes. I feel Mama said you're a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter. Brush your hair, fix your teeth. What you wear is all that matters. Just another stage, pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down, down, down. Shine the light on whatever's worse. Perfection is a disease of a nation. Pretty hurts, pretty hurts, pretty hurts. Shine the light on whatever's worse. Try to fix something that you can't fix, but you can't see. It's the soul that needs the surgery. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell below to keep notified, and thank you to all my new subscribers for joining and watching my videos. Adios amigos.